Welcome to the channel, your place to discover and share everything there is to know about virtual classrooms and more. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and in this video we're going to take a look at video in Zoom, uncovering some lesser known features and learning how to use it to the max. Yes, this is the channel that specialises in the world of live online learning. So if you want to become a champion of virtual classroom design or a superhero in virtual workshop facilitation, then subscribe to the channel by pressing the buttons below and you'll be the first to know when I upload brand new content. So visual impact has always been important in any learning intervention. And in a live virtual classroom, it's as important as ever. Your learner, they're required to fixate in one direction towards a small area into which your whole intervention is concentrated. So we have to use this space wisely, professionally, and with the most impact. So to help you achieve this, we're going to look at my favourite video options of Zoom and show you just how you can use these features to create that extra quality impression in your live online learning events. So let's jump straight in. Zoom gives us some great options to change and improve video quality. And for this, from Zoom's main application, click into that little cog top right and then select video from the list on the left. And here you'll see a preview of your own video, as well as a whole raft of options to choose from. Don't be put off or scared. The options now, they can vary from device to device, sometimes dependent on the processing power of your own computer. So if a feature is not listed for you, ensure you've got the most up-to-date version of Zoom installed. And if a certain feature is still missing, it's likely to be down to the operating system or even power of your computer processor. So here under My Video, we have the option to turn on high definition video. Now this increases to a very good quality called Standard HD, which is available on basic free accounts, or to a very, very good quality called Full HD, which is available on certain upgraded accounts. Now this will quite often dramatically increase the quality of your video, but will require extra bandwidth to send and receive the better quality. So always ask yourself, do you have high and stable bandwidth, and do your learners too? Mirror My Video simply allows you to flip your video, and Touch Up My Appearance has the effect of softening up skin tone and smoothing complexion. So think of Photoshop for live video. And you can also use the slider there to suit your amount of vanity. Another useful feature, especially if you find yourself in low light, is the Adjust for Low Light functionality. Now enable this and it gives you really powerful functions to dramatically increase image brightness, especially if you switch from auto to manual mode. And while you're here, why not turn on Always Display Participant Name on their video? Because that allows you to really connect with your learners by being able to confidently call them by their name. And Spotlight My Video when speaking is also useful. It ensures that your video is foremost when you, and even you and others, are speaking at the same time. It allows you to host and control the group of learners with much more order and ease, simply because it ensures the spotlight is on you at the right time every time. So that's the more serious but all important video quality side of Zoom. But to discover some cool and fun features, don't forget to watch my video about Zoom virtual backgrounds and features, and a further video that teaches you how to actually reimpose your own video onto your live slide deck. But that's all for now. As always, thanks so much for watching.